Gang, it's your boy J20 Thrizzle, J23rd, 23, whatever you want to call me. Just don't call me ugly.
Whatever you want to call me, just don't call me ugly.
I'm just playing, but look, man. All right, what's good, y'all? I'm up at Summit Racing, as you see. I had to go ahead and grab a few things for my BMW, spark plugs, ignition coils, stuff like that. But get ready to shoot this thing up. But it's actually my first time going inside Summit Racing. I've never been in here, so I'm finna see what that'd be like. Let me flip y'all around. It looks super sick in here. Like, it's a race car person's dream. But yeah, man. Yeah, but this is a nice store. I like the frame of this F1 Racing Ford, but yeah. But yeah, man. I'm in the ATV dirt bike section right now. I was gonna get some new gear, all types of stuff in here. It's actually my first time in here, so yeah. Gotta pick up my ignition coils. And I still ain't got a haircut yet, but we are on our way to the studio. Finna meet up with my homegirl V and this rider named Deja, and my manager's gonna be there as well. But yeah, man, we finna cook up some stuff, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there. But yeah, stay tuned. So I just pulled up to the studio. Look who I see outside. Gang, man, we at. Shh, don't tell them though. I'm just playing, but yeah, with my gang right now, man, we chilling. What you got going on? You supposed to be recording, gang. She supposed to be You waiting on me? Bro, we got an hour left. Okay, baby. Let's go. Yay, ain't no way. I knew you overslept, gang. Once I text you twice and you don't answer, that shit dead. You know how I am. I ain't driving nowhere until I get confirmation. Alright, so we're in the yo right now. V overslept. I gotta put you out on blast on the vlog, gang. Then she gonna throw it on me and say, where you at? Crazy. But we got Deja in the cut. Amazing songwriter. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in a bit. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J23rd. Well, look, man, we finally got a haircut, guys. Woo! You know where we gotta go next, right? Gotta go to Target, man. I'm on the way to pick up my ATV right now, and I'm feeling good, gang. You know what I'm saying? Did some little work to it. Can't wait to show y'all, man. I'm a little tired right now, bro. I don't really get no sleep, bro. You know, from the studio to content, and I'm trying to catch up. You know, try to get y'all at least one video a week, bro. But that's been a little hard for me. But we gonna get back into it, man. And again, thank everybody for subscribing, liking the video, just leaving comments. Like, all of that stuff is really important to me, and it just really makes me feel good to know that you guys are enjoying the content. So let's keep that going, man, and I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to my ATV. Gang. We got it sounding good, man. Sounding super good, guys. Right now we're ready to make sure everything mapped out correctly. So I don't even know if y'all can hear me, so I'm gonna just show y'all and I'll turn it off in a bit. What's up, gang? We're getting ready to do a ride out. Heading to Imports. See the lineup right now. We got my X5. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There's the not stop. Not so stop. That's all I got to say. You know what I'm saying? But we locked in. I'm gonna try to get more consistent with this. But yeah, I'll let you guys know when the next video drop. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be linked here. And yeah, man, stay tuned. All right, y'all, we finna pull out, but listen to these kids. All right, my car plate cut me off, but we finna slide, man. I don't know if y'all see everybody in the back, but about to slide out, bro. I'll catch y'all boys in a bit. Let me roll my windows up. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Hey, them boys got that geek stuff, man. Hey, I gotta get it right this summer, bro, cause woo, I know y'all hear they engines, man. But let me lock in, though, bro. I'm gonna lock in real quick, put my phone down, but let me lock in, y'all. I'll catch y'all in a bit, man. Yes, sir. We out, gang. Boy, right behind me. I gotta make sure I keep up with it, man. You know what I'm saying? Alright, man, we rolling right now. Y'all don't mind my glasses again, but hey, these boys stuff tuned up, gang. Like, we getting there soon, man. We got new sponsorships and stuff, man. I just can't wait to tune my car up this summer, gang. So, y'all boys stay tuned for that. But I actually let my boy go in front of me. Had to flip y'all around real quick, man, so I can get a little view. Boy got the custom route. You know what I'm saying? X-Drive, you know what I'm saying? Y'all scan that barcode so I can get y'all some car tint. And, you know, vinyl wrap your car too, bro. But I'm loving the candy blue. I think that's candy blue. Satin blue, maybe. But yeah, man, I will catch y'all when we get to the place. Big bit, man. That bit sounds so good. Ooh. That boy not playing.
No, we're waiting. We're waiting to get infield. Did you got the?
We're in line right now to get infield, but nah, where I get it from?
You got the link.
Right now, we at Atlanta Motor Speedway, man. Y'all see the boy. Boy going too clean. This bit clean now. Yeah, man, we waiting to go infield right now. It's like a line, people and stuff. But man, some crazy cars out here, man. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, these folks out here really do this. So. That boy got that boneless. This Sirski. That bit clean though. Lucky Strike. That bit's so geek. That boy not bullshitting. Hard, gang. Yeah, this is so hard, gang. Look at this. It's too hard. Oh my god. Alright, y'all. I had to stop and get me a smoothie real quick. Let me show y'all, man. Man, there's some crazy cars out here. That's all I got to say. Y'all see this? It's too hard. Too hard. He finna go take it to the track, so I'll catch y'all when I get over there. See, it ain't everyday ATV, so you better follow me for more, cause you never know where I'm about to be at. But I'm about to go watch them drift up here. I'll catch y'all when I get over there. Believe it or not, that's a BMW too. Going crazy. I'm trying to tell y'all, but y'all better tighten up. Hey, listen, I'm gonna have to suit up or something, bro, because they out there rolling for real. Look, everybody on some geek, you know what I'm saying? Just straight geek shit all day. But I'm finna get ready to head back to my bro booth, the sponsors and stuff. Check and see how you going. But yeah, man, no cold wrong. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in a bit, man. Do a donut for me. Do a donut. That boy gonna make yourself sick, boy. I'm old champion though. Look at that. Oh, man. No type of ground clearance, guy. You go uphill in this mud, it's over with. That bitch is crazy though, man. I want to go drive this thing right now. I just plan to need my keys though, but yeah, man, that's the M3. Woo-hoo-wee. Sure. Boy got the pipes out the back. He just hit the drift track. I'm loving the pipes in the back though. It's insane. Yes, sir. When I tell y'all this bit on the floor, it's on the floor, gang. Ooh. Hey, look, man. I'm gonna tell y'all right now what I want for Christmas. I want an M3 comp. I hear that Mustang in the background, gang. But listen, I ain't even know I was gonna be a car person, bro. Now I am, gang. So definitely gonna be out here more often. Wait till y'all see what my X5 look like. You might see me on the track. BMW game, you know what I'm saying? Not so stop. Yes, sir. I know what the vibes is. Outside again, man. BM Dubs on top of BM Dubs on top of BM Dubs. You feel me? On top of BM Dubs. And we outside with the food. With the grub. Here you talking about. But yeah, man. Waiting on everybody to pull up. But I'll let y'all know when it gets started. Yo, I suck at filming, but we're getting ready to leave. We gotta change the locations because the cops shut the other one down. So I'll catch y'all when we get to the next location. I try to do better at filming. Got that what?
That shit outside.
You already know. Hey y'all, so my bad, it's a little shaky. I got water in my hand, but my boy Fever Motorsports got me right, gang. It's just a few things we got to get fixed. So I'm finna take it to the dyno actually tonight and test it out. And we're gonna figure out what's going on. It's just bogging a little bit. I'm thinking it's something with the power commander, but we're gonna test it out. But other than that, man, it's looking good, sounding good. I can't wait till y'all see this on the track, man. That's all I gotta say. But y'all, this is Drake's future engineer. Let's not go there. But shout out to Vic, man. That's game. You said what?
You really want to get that started?
Let me go this bit on, man. I'll catch y'all in a bit, gang.